Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome you all to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll show you another important topic. And before that, Happy Republic Day to everyone. Today is 26th January. So today is a Republic Day of our country. So I wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. So let us start this session. Today's topic is the product costing. By the time you all know the product costing, because I have uploaded many other videos related to the product costing. However, I have not given any such session as of now which describes the theoretical part of the product costing. So today I decided to cover the theoretical part of the product costing. What is product costing and what is actually it is, and why we require to calculate the product costing. Okay, so product costing, as the name suggests, product costing is nothing but to calculate the total costs incurred to create a product. Okay, so these total costs to incurred to create a product can be like many things, means direct material charges, direct labor charges, other factory overhead charges. Now the factory overhead charge can be anything like electricity, machinery expenses, depreciation. Okay, so all these things cumulatively form a price. Okay, now all these different costs incurred while creating the product, so all should be summed up together, and finally those will be calculated, which is termed as the product costing. Now we calculate the product costing at a very granular level. Okay, to carry forward the correct product costing. Okay, so how we calculate those product costing at a very granular level, those has been clarified in some other videos. I'll provide the link in the description box below. In order to carry forward the correct costing, we have divided this costing into two parts. One is the material costing with quantity structure. Another one is the material costing without quantity structure. So these two, by dividing these two approach, we are calculating the costs of the cost of the product at a very granular level. But actually, which cost we calculate at the product costing stage? We calculate obviously the manufacturing cost of the product, which is basically a very common term termed as cost of goods manufactured. Okay, now how the cost of goods manufactured is been calculated? We all know that because we have done cost sheet in our graduation level or prior to the graduation level. So we all know the cost sheet of cost of goods manufactured. However, still I have given a demonstration here. First of all, we have some direct material expenses, we have direct labor expenses. Adding up these two components is forming a cost which is termed as the prime cost. Now after that prime cost, we are adding an overhead which is the manufacturing overhead. Now the prime cost and the manufacturing overhead, once summed up together, they are forming a cost which is the cost of goods manufactured. Simple. That means what? The cost of goods manufactured means cost of production. At which price the product is being produced, the price is known as the cost of goods product manufactured. So this final cost of goods manufactured is the ultimate motive of the product costing. Once the cost of goods manufactured are being captured correctly, then the purpose of the product costing is completed. So that's all. I'll be providing the descriptions in my link below, wherein and before that I'm showing you a few more things. I'm going to my YouTube channel, wherein I have given the playlist of product costing, and I have added different videos there. So I'm showing you so that later on it will be better for you to understand. So I'm going to my channel, Now coming below, going to the playlist. Here I have to go to the product costing, product costing playlist. This is my product costing playlist. I'm going inside. See, I have added many things here. Now material costing with quantity structure. This is the very basic thing of product costing. Means after watching this video, which I just have explained, after watching that video, you can directly jump into material costing with quantity structure. And obviously, before that, I would rather recommend you to check this costing variant and cost component structure. This is the OKTZ configuration, means the product costing configuration. Okay, so this is another thing. And then you can check material costing with quantity structure, material costing without quantity structure. This is material costing without quantity structure. Okay, so these things you can look into, and then you will be able to understand the entire flow of the product costing. And also another very important point is to creation of BOM, because with quantity structure, if we are costing the material with quantity structure, then BOM master creation is very much required. So I'll include the BOM master creation video as well. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If it is not, then please put your question in the comments box below. I'll surely try to answer all of your queries. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye, and do take a very good care of yourself. Thank you, bye bye.